Okay guys, ever wanted a footer that actually looks polished and professional instead of just random links thrown at the bottom of your page? Yeah, most footers just feel like an afterthought, nobody really puts effort into them. Well, this section completely changes that. Today we're adding this footer section to your store, and honestly, it's such a clean way to organize your links, contact info, and even a bold brand statement all in one place. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Footer number 4. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Footer number 4, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. First option here is the layout. There are 3 different layouts available, but honestly, I'll just stick with the first one for now. It already looks clean. Right below that is the width, which is already set to max. Let's scroll down. Here's all the color options, like the background color. Let's change that to black, and all the text colors to white, and the border color to black too. Ooh, that already looks so much sharper. Now let's add a logo, which will make our footer feel so much more engaging. I don't have a ready logo right now, so I'll just add the Forbes logo here to show you how it works. But wait, this logo is also black, and so is my section's background. Uh-oh. Okay, let's fix that. I'll change the section's background to white instead. But now the text isn't showing properly. Classic. Let's change the text color to black too. And now it looks perfect. Let's also increase the logo's width a bit for desktop and change the font style to Poppins as always. Now let's scroll down, and you can also customize the column settings, like the heading text and adding a menu. Click on Select and add whichever menu you want, and all its pages will show up here automatically. I'll do the same for the second column, adding another menu. And for the third column, let's add our contact info, email, phone number, and address. Right below that comes the copyright text, which you can edit however you'd like to. And last but not least, there are payment icons. A few are already added here by default, and you can simply toggle them on or off. Once you're happy with everything, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.